Listen to me. Are you tired of watching your hard-earned retirement money get eaten away by monthly bank fees? Are you tired of sitting on hold with traditional banks just to ask a simple question about your own money? I know so many of you who are retired or getting ready to step into retirement, and you are terrified of making a mistake with your savings. You hear about online banking, you hear about Capital One, and you ask yourself, is it safe? Am I capable of doing this online? How in the world do I actually open an account without messing something up? I am here to tell you that you are more than capable, and taking control of your financial life in retirement starts with putting your money where it is respected. Capital One 360 checking and savings accounts have no monthly maintenance fees, no minimum balance requirements, and no ridiculous hidden charges. When you are living on a fixed income, every single dollar counts. Why are you giving $5, $10, or $15 a month to a bank just for holding your money? Stop doing that right now. Now, let us tackle the biggest fear standing in your way: safety. I get calls and letters every day from people in their 60s, 70s, and 80s who say, "Susie, if there isn't a branch on every corner, where is my money?" Listen to me carefully. Capital One is a real, legitimate, FDIC-insured bank. That means your money is backed and insured by the United States government up to $250,000 per depositor for each account ownership category. If you open an account online, your money does not vanish into thin air. It is fully protected. And what if you aren't a computer expert? You do not need to be a technology wizard to do this. You just need a few basic documents, 15 minutes of quiet time, and the willingness to stand up for your financial freedom. So, how do you open a Capital One bank account step by step? Let us walk through exactly what you need to do, so you feel completely confident before you even sit down at your computer or pick up your phone. First, before you open a single web page, I want you to gather your documents. Do not start the application and then go running around the house looking for your wallet. Sit down at your table with 2 forms of identification, such as your driver's license, state ID, or passport. You will also need your social security number, your current mailing address, your date of birth, and your email address and phone number. If you want to transfer money into your new account right away, have the routing and account number of your current bank account ready, or a check nearby. Second, decide what kind of account you need. For most retirees, you want a Capital One 360 checking account for your everyday bills and spending, or a 360 performance savings account if you are looking to earn a competitive interest rate on your emergency stash without lockups or penalties. If you manage money jointly with your spouse, you can choose to open a joint account right from the start. Both of you will simply put in your information so you both have full access and legal ownership. Third, go to the official website at CapitalOne.com or download the Capital One app on your tablet or smartphone. Look for the button that says Open Account. Click it. The system will prompt you step by step to fill in your personal details, your name, address, social security number, and income information. Take your time. Type carefully. Double-check your spelling and your numbers before you click Next. Fourth, the application will ask you how you want to fund the account. Remember, Capital One does not force you to deposit hundreds of dollars just to open the account. You can start with $0 if you want, or you can link your existing bank account and make an initial transfer. Once you submit your application, most people get an instant approval on the screen within 2 minutes. If you ever get stuck or if the screen asks for extra verification, do not panic. You can call their customer support, or if you live near a Capital One cafe or branch, you can walk right in and an ambassador will sit down with you and help you finish setting it up on an iPad. Now, here is your most important actionable takeaway once that account is open. Getting the account open is only half the battle. Setting it up correctly is where you protect yourself. As soon as your account is created, set up your online access with a strong, unique password. Write that password down in a secure notebook that you keep in a safe place at home, not on a sticky note attached to your computer screen. Next, if you receive Social Security or pension benefits, switch your direct deposit over to your new Capital One account. You can easily print out a direct deposit form right from your online portal, or use your new account and routing numbers on the official Social Security website. This ensures your monthly income arrives safely, automatically, and on time without waiting for paper checks in the mail. Then, when your new debit card arrives in the mail a few days later, call the number on the sticker immediately to activate it and create a secure PIN. Download the Capital One app on your phone so you can turn on real-time fraud alerts. That way, every single time a transaction happens on your account, your phone gives you a quiet notification. If someone tries to use your card without your permission, you will know instantly, and you can lock your debit card with one tap inside the app. Do not let fear keep you trapped in old banking habits that drain your fixed income with unnecessary fees. You worked decades for your money. You deserve a bank that keeps your money safe, gives you easy access, and doesn't charge you for the privilege of keeping your own savings. Gather your documents today, take control of your banking, and protect the money that is meant to fund your peace of mind in retirement. You can do this.